I welcome you all. In this video, going to see about finding minimum in a list problem. Finding minimum in a list, it is a problem to find the minimum element in the given list of elements. Finding minimum in a list of elements can be achieved in different ways. One way is to sort the list of elements in ascending order and get the first element as minimum. Another method is to compare each element with other. As an initial step, first element of the list is considered as minimum element. And in each iteration, each element in the list is compared with the minimum. If the element in the list is less than the minimum, then swap both elements, else compared with the next element in the list. These steps are continued until the end of the list and finally print the minimum. This is the algorithm of find minimum in a list. Always the algorithm begins with start statement. Next, read statement is used to read all the elements in the list. In the third step, the first element in the list is set as minimum element. Next, move to the next element in the list. If the current element is less than the minimum, then set minimum equal to current element. Now repeat the step 4 and 5 until end of the list is reached. Now we know the minimum value in the list. So print statement is used to print the minimum value in the list. Then finally end the algorithm by using stop statement. This is the flowchart of finding minimum in a list. Here oval shape symbol is used for start and stop process. Next, parallelogram shape is used for reading the list of n elements and printing the minimum value. Next, rectangle shape is used for setting the first element as the minimum and for the increment of I. Next, diamond shape is used for checking the conditions. Here is pseudocode for finding minimum in a list. All the keywords in the pseudocode should be in capital letter. The next problem is to insert a chord in a list of sorted chords. Playing chords are one of the techniques of sorting. Sorting starts with a left hand and chords face down on the table. Then remove one chord at a time from the table and insert it into the correct position in the left hand. To find a correct position for a chord, we compare it with each of the chords already in the hand from left to right. Once the position is found, the chords from the position are moved to the next higher index position and in that order. Now, chord is inserted at the current position. This is the algorithm of insert a chord in a sorted chord. First, read the new chord and insert it to the end of the list. Then use the for loop and set I equal to 1 to length of A. Then the current chord is assigned to A of I. Now position equal to I. Then check the condition. If position is greater than 0 and A of position minus 1 is greater than current chord, then interchange the chord. That is A of position equal to A of position minus 1. Now the current chord is set to the position A of position. Now the new chord is inserted into the sorted chords. So print statement is used to print the sorted list of chords. Finally, end the algorithm using stop statement. This is the pseudocode for inserting a chord into sorted list. Here all the keywords are used in uppercase letters. It is same as algorithm. The only difference here is here keywords are used. Thank you.